It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control. Hey folks, if you saw my last video, you know that I've recently completed an L-19 bird dog, and it's an Aerotow plane, and I got her flying. I had the maiden flight a couple of weeks back, and it's all going very well. Alright, it's finally that time. I'm going to try aerotowing with the bird dog. I've done a bunch of test flights, but it's time to see if she'll actually tow a glider. So here we go. I figured we'd take it easy on the first tow here, so we're going to try to tow a multiplex 2-meter easy glider. Little foamy job, it's really light, so I'd be surprised if the bird dog even notices it's back there. I ran her up to about half throttle, and look at that, it's towing a glider. Ooh. Kinda got off the ground there a little earlier than I should, but you know, I'm still getting the hang of this. But yeah, it tows with authority. Up we went, no problem at all. I decided not to go too high for this first tow, but I don't know, probably about 400 or 500 feet maybe. And it was time to release. Glider got off, nice and smooth, and cut the throttle, put her in a dive. This is where the big Fowler flaps come in handy. Despite the dive, you know, she maintains a nice mellow airspeed. Being somewhat new to this, of course, I forgot there's 100 feet of tow line out the back. Got kind of close to those trees and bushes over there. I must give props to my cameraman Peter here for standing his ground. And she's back on the ground, safe and sound. Now, where's the glider? That's the next question. Alright, there it is. I've done it. Finally, towed somebody with the bird dog. I can say I've done that. It should be all downhill from here.